Welcome students, myself Akshaya, lecturer of Emmanuel Arthur College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to see about human digestive system. First, what is digestive system? Digestive system is a group of organs that break down food into nutrients for energy, growth, repair and removal of waste product. It starts from mouth and ends in anus. The process of reducing food into small molecules that can be absorbed into the body is called digestive system. It consists of two major parts, major organs and accessory organs. Major organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Accessory organs are liver, gallbladder and pancreas. First, mouth. The pH of mouth is 7 and it is the first part of digestive system and the entry point of food. So, mouth consists of teeth, salivary glands. Teeth used to tear, crush, cut and grind the food. Salivary glands produce saliva and helps in digestion. The components or functions of saliva are it helps to moisten the food and helps in digestion of starch into smaller polysaccharides. It contains xylene and salivary amylase. Functions: mechanical digestion, increasing the surface area of the faster chemical digestion. Second one, esophagus. It is a long tube connecting mouth to esophagus. It runs through the thoracic cavity. Location: it lies behind the windpipe, that is trachea. Trachea has an epiglottis which prevents the food from entering the windpipe and movement of food through esophagus while swallowing. Next, food travels through esophagus through a series of involuntary rhythmic conditions previously called peristalsis. So that the movement of food is called peristalsis. Function: the lining of esophagus secretes mucus lubrication to support the movement of food. Next, stomach. Stomach is J-shaped. It has many inner foldings called ragae. And functions: stomach perform mechanical digestion. How? By performing churning the bolus and mixing it with the gastric juices. So the food we eat gets mixed with the gastric juices with the help of stomach. And gastric juices are HCl, which means hydrochloric acid, salts, enzymes, water and mucus. HCl break down the food and kill the bacteria that came along with the food. And the bolus is now called chyme. Enzymes: acidic enema, HCl secretion. It kills the microbes found in bolus, creating a pH of 2. Mucus it helps to digest the food. And pepsin, responsible for initiating the breakdown of proteins in food. It hydrolyzes protein to yield polypeptides. pH is 2. The enzyme from salivary glands stop breakdowning of carbohydrates. Next is small intestine. It is responsible for the complete digestion and absorption of nutrients like glucose, glycerol, fatty acid, amino acid and nucleotides. Next parts. Small intestines may now 3 parts, namely duodenum, jejunum and ileum. First, duodenum. The first part of is called duodenum. It is U-shaped organ and 30 cm in length. It completes most of the digestion. Enzymes secreted into the duodenum and found in the pancreas and gallbladder. Duodenum lined by many folds called villi. Villi helps in nutrient absorption. Next is jejunum. It is approximately 2.5 meter long. Although small digestion is completed here, more villi and microvilli have to absorb the nutrients. Next, ileum. Ileum is approximately 3 meter long, have fewer villi and microvilli than other two parts. Although observation of those waste materials are pushed to large intestine. So, ileum only pushes the waste material to the large intestine. Functions: 90% of the digestion and absorption of food takes place here. 10% take place in the stomach and large intestine. Main function of is the absorption of nutrients and minerals from food. Components of large intestines. The large intestine is composed of several various called cecum, colon, rectum. Colon is classified into 4 parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon and sigmoid colon. This is cecum. First section of the largest intestine is called cecum. It looks like a pouch 2 inches long, roll taking digested liquid from ileum and passes through the colon. Next, colon. Major secretion of large intestine. Function: principal place for water reabsorption and salts when needed. Rectum. It is the final section, measured from 1 cm to 1.6 inches. Leftover waste collected and expands to emptied through the anus. Functions of rectum: absorbs water, absorbs vitamin, reduce acidity, protect from infections. Accessory organs are liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Liver, largest of the organs, mass about 1.5 kg. Liver produces bile, greenish yellow pigment made up of bile pigments and bile salts. It breaks the old red blood cells. Gallbladder, it is the storage sac. The bile secreted into it. Bile is stored here. It works by food containing fats enter the digestion. Salts are secreted and small intestine to digest the fats. By emulsifies fats and partially digests food. Third one, pancreas. It secretes number of different types of enzymes into the system. Role is to digest carbohydrates, lipids, proteins completely. It also secretes bicarbonates. Iron role neutralize the hydrochloric acid from the stomach and change the pH of small intestine to pH of 8. Pancreas will secrete about 1.0 liter of pancreatic fluid per day. Thank you.